we're moving on to a sailboat. That's it. Hello, you're right. I'm such a donut. I put this wash on without any detergent. I didn't even take any with me. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm in a laundrette at 1:30 on a Wednesday afternoon for a few reasons. The first is because we have sold our house and then we rented for a little bit, and we give the rent up on that as well, so we're currently not living in a house. The second is because, well, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. I quit my job, so I'm currently unemployed / freelance. And this is all because the next big, proper, full fat adventure is about to start. So if you're watching this, it's probably because you saw our video of the camper van that we've been doing up over the last couple of years. That's now gone. We sold that after a lot of time and money spent on doing it up. We sold that to fund this next big adventure, which is we're moving on to a sailboat. That's it. So long story, it sounds weird even saying it, even though it's been planned for a little bit now. But long story short, it's been a dream of my parents since they were teenagers to buy and move on to a sailboat. That dream has been with me since I was born. It's been a very, very long time coming. They're now in a position where they can do that, and we have worked to get ourselves into a position where we can join them. So that's what's going to happen. In terms of the YouTube channel, it means that I'll have a lot more time and content to put into it, so I'll be taking it a lot more seriously. So if you're not subscribed, now is a very good time to get in early and really come along for the adventure. It's going to be pretty crazy. We don't know 100% how long we're going for, minimum of 2 years, so we will travel around the world completely. That's all we know. That's the plan. So get ready.